Now, after proposal writing, before that is directed writing. Now, what is directed writing? I hope you understand about proposal writing. Okay, let's share another sample of a proposal writing. Proposal to organize a drama competition. Heading: a drama competition will be organized in the school to allow students to learn the various methods of acting. 1 point. This competition will also enable them to learn the skills. They're organizing it, the skills of organization. These 2 points should not be repeated under objectives. To organize drama workshops before the actual competition. This is another point. An opportunity to showcase the acting skills on the stage. See, objectives, both written in 2 sentences, in 1 paragraph. Then we come to the list of measures. A date, it's a drama competition, so a date of the competition will be finalized, or you can finalize and write the date of the competition. A committee consisting of teachers and students, they will supervise, oversee means supervise the entire event that will be formed. The event will be held in the school auditorium this time to this time. You can see it on the screen. A variety of plays. What will happen? A variety of plays, a competition. So, a variety of plays will be enacted on stage. The publicity of these plays will be done in the print and the electronic media. I hope the proposal will be sanctioned by the school authority so that it becomes a reality. Simple. Make it as simple as possible. Giving you 2 sample answers of a proposal writing. That sets the proposal writing. Now we come to something called report and article writing, which is of 12 marks. So, see, it's of 12 marks. It's called directed writing, where you are given an article topic, a report topic, or a competition topic. In class 12, you have something called a film review. All this is written, and you're given some guidelines. Based on those guidelines, you have to develop it into a proper writing. Now, see, the range of subjects may include article writing, book review, film review, review of cultural programs, speech writing, report writing, personal profile, statement of purpose. The range of subjects may include article writing, book review, film review, review of cultural programs, speech writing, report writing, personal profile, and statement of purpose. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 under 8 ranges, under 8 headings. Beyond this or outside this, you will not have any other directed writing. Got it? Now, first, let us come to report writing and article writing. Today, we will just do report and article writing. The next day, it will be book review and the film review. I'll do it little by little. Okay, today we will do article writing and report writing. What exactly you will do in report writing, what exactly you will do in article writing. Sample answers have been given also to see how you can apply this in the sample answers. Then I will do a book review and a film review. Then I will do the cultural program. Every part I do, I will assist you and I will help you with a sample answer. Just a sample answer, remember. Just to help you and make you understand how exactly you write it. Some of you, I'm sure you know it very well. Now let's come to report writing and article writing. We are coming to newspaper report. Now see the points that I have written. Newspaper report, you have a headline, right? Earthquake strikes Nepal once again. I'm saying it in the present tense. So the headline should be in the present tense. If there is a headline written on the question paper, which is point number 7, we'll come to point number 7 and we'll talk about this. Then there will be a byline, then there will be the date, place. I will exactly explain to you what is a byline when I do the sample answer. Byline, then the date, place. The report writing will have to be done in formal tone, the language specific, to the point, precise. Now, if title is written on the question paper, if you have the title given on the question paper, it is mandatory, meaning it is compulsory to write that same title on your answer scripts. If the title is not mentioned on the question paper, then you can write your own title according to the topic. Got it? Written preferably in person. Each point, point number 9, each point could be written, I haven't written should be written, could be written in a separate paragraph. Here you have to know it cannot be and it should not be written in one paragraph. You should have three paragraphs or little more than three paragraphs. But what I have written in point number 9, each point could be written in a separate paragraph. Could be, maybe not, but it cannot be in one paragraph. Don't make two, make three and little more than three. Okay. 10. All points mentioned on the QP, that is on the question paper, must be elaborated, amplified. What is the word limit? 200 words. 200 words meaning approximately 2.5 pages. One page, reverse, one page, the next half a page. So 1, 2, and one more half. Approximately 2.5 pages. Don't make it more than that because it's just 200 words. Okay. Credit given for a good opening line and a good closing line. It should be simple, direct, natural, and grammatically correct. What is this byline and date and place? When we do report newspaper report, and no new point is to be added. Point number 14. No new point to be added. Now see an example. Heading or headline. What is written first? It should be in the present tense. If it is there on the question paper, write that same heading. If it is not there on the question paper, write it as, say, rescue work continues in Uttarakhand. Your own, it's in present tense. And if that headline is given on the question paper, just pick it up and copy it. Word for word, absolutely the same. Then the next is a byline. What is this byline? See, by a staff reporter. This is the byline. Now you write by a staff reporter. You may write by a staff reporter, put a dash or put a comma and you write your own name. Don't write it. Just write by a staff reporter. Okay? And then you come to the third point, which is date, place. See? Just like a newspaper report. You must have observed how a newspaper report is written. The format. New Delhi, comma, Thursday, comma, 11th February 2022. Place, Thursday the day, that may or may not be written, and the date, 11th February 2022. So this is the headline, this is the byline, this is the headline, this is the byline, and this is the place, the day, and the date. And then the rest as it is written. Okay. Now I'll give you an example also. Now let us go to article writing. Article writing, something like, say, cyberbullying has become very rampant nowadays. Write an article for your school magazine about the disadvantages and the misuse, the abuses of cyberbullying or the evils of alcohol. Okay, just see heading, dateline, byline. The rest will be the same as whatever is written here. Formal language, third person, it's the same. I have not repeated it. Okay, so there will be a heading, there will be a dateline, there will be a byline. Dateline meaning date. See the heading. Again, if the heading is given on the question paper, write the same thing. Otherwise, say you write something like the evils of alcohol, or you write cyberbullying, and just beside it, see dateline. Okay, write dateline here, 11th February 2022. Okay, the byline, by a staff reporter, that is the byline. I've written the byline, may be written in the beginning of the article or the end. Beginning by a staff reporter, or you finish the writing the article at the end also you write You may also write either in the beginning or in the end by a staff reporter. Same word limit, 200 words approximately, 1.5 pages. All points given in the outline must be included. And after that, you just see, I'm not repeating this, I'm not saying, you can just see, I've just given you the past year's topics of directed writing. Okay, you can just see it. That is for your convenience and for your use. Now we will take a report writing. Okay, just see, first is report writing. I'll take a train mishap. Okay, I've written the heading. Okay, see, report on the train mishap. This has been given on the question paper, so I have written the same title, the train mishap. Got it? And now some points have been given. I will amplify or elaborate on that point. So the train mishap is my heading, the same as given on the question paper. By a staff reporter is my byline. Howrah, Friday, 5th August is the place, the day, and the date. All over. Now I start according to this thing. Hundreds of passengers and train staff on the Mumbai bound Howrah Mail were looted when dacoits near Kalyan station hijacked the train on 30th of July. You will wonder, why has these phrases or these words been underlined. I have underlined it so that I know when I'm writing. I'm talking from the perspective viewpoint of the student. I've underlined it. Why? Because I know when I'm writing, I have not missed out any point. As missing out a point could be done. And when the teacher or the examiner is correcting, she or he also does not miss out on the point. So this underlining, I have done it for my own advantage as well as for the advantage of the teacher. This may or may not be done. Hijacked a train. Dacoits hijack a train. Date has been given. See date, midnight time. Dacoits armed with country made pistols and knives attacked the passengers of the three-tier coach while they were fast asleep. The dacoits traveling as passengers suddenly made the attack and all were taken unaware. The train at that time was standing between two stations. All points have been. Okay, train standing between two stations. You will find that all the points have been underlined so that you can correspond it and match it whether the points have been written or not. Kalyan in front and Matunga behind. Taking advantage of the situation, the dacoits made the deadly attack. The victims were mainly from middle class family going to Mumbai either on a holiday or some official purpose. The dacoits looted jewelry. Purpose was looting, okay, and money from all the passengers. Then for over an hour, I'm not reading it because reading becomes very, I'm just reading whatever has been written, which you can do yourself. This report writing has been sent to you for your help, nothing more. Just to help you, this is the way you write a report writing. If you read newspaper report, you will find the same thing. Okay, this is train hijack, and then I have given you an example of article writing. See, this is article writing. Okay, write an article. This was ISC 2002, title The Escape. So the escape, same title as on the question paper, dateline, byline, and then start. Okay, see, it is not newspaper, it's just an article written here. Write an article. So it's an article. So police treating the Alipur Central Zone as a possible crime scene. Just read it. The same thing I have done. I have underlined the main points that have been mentioned on the question paper to highlight them so that when I am writing, I know I have written those points, I have mentioned those points. Because one point missing, I'll get a deduction of marks. So remember, a point is missing, I get a minus half. So point should not be missed. And I know more or less for sure that the teacher who is correcting my paper will also not miss out this thing, because I have underlined it. The underlining will only help. It is not compulsory. It will only help. That is all. So you read this also and you give me your feedback later on as what exactly more do you want. There's a space here, too many space, but it is continuation of the same article. Just read it and you will find that they definitely help you in forming your answers, in helping you to write an article or a report. And what happens the next day is I will share with you film review and book review. Okay, I'll share with you film review, book review, perhaps speech writing also. Okay, but I'll share with you film review, book review. I will share with you the other topics also, not topic exactly, the other categories also: cultural programs, speech writing, report writing we have completed, personal profile and statement of purpose. I will certainly share all of them with you so that it will help you. Today we have done report writing and article writing. Go through it and you will find that to a certain extent it has certainly helped you. If you have any questions, we can again come back and we can discuss it. Okay, for today I leave you. Take care of your health. Meet you again the next day. Thank you.